All right, if you're watching this video, that means you've mastered old school expanded form and you are excited to learn about new school expanded form. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna get rid of my face there so we have more space here. All right, so with old school expanded form, you're basically giving the value of each digit one by one. Well, we have 4 digits there, so we're gonna have 4 values. We're gonna have 6,000, and then 900 is the value of the 9, 50 is the value of the 5, and 8 is the value of the 8. So this is old school expanded form that you've already mastered. New school expanded form, it's a different way to say the same thing. So I'm going to show you the connection here. New school expanded form follows the importance of value, which is digit is important and place value is important. Both of these together determine the value. So for each digit in our number, we are going to have a package that looks just like that. And since there's 4 digits, we're going to end up with 4 packages. The first package we have is going to be for the 6. So I'm going to create a little package here, and you don't have to create the package ahead of time, but inside this package, it's going to show the digit times the place value the digit's parked in. Well, it is a 6. That's an easy thing. And we know that that 6, by looking at it, is parked in the 1,000s place, not the 6,000s place, but the 1,000s place. And so this is the place value and digit package for the 6. Now, just like in old school expanded form, we need a plus sign to connect our pieces of our expanded form. And so we're going to move to the 9. So the 9, we're going to do and follow the same pattern. Digit, which is the 9, times the place value it's parked in. That's the 100 place. So we're going to do this 2 more times because we have 2 more digits. So we have a plus, and our next digit is a 5, and it is parked in the tens place. And we're going to add a plus sign to link our last digit place value package. It is an 8, and the 8 is parked in the ones place. And so, yes, new school expanded form is a little bit longer than old school expanded form, but I want to show you they actually mean the same thing. Watch this. 6 times 1,000 is 6,000. 9 times 100 is 900. 5 times 10 is 50, and 8 times 1 is 8. If I link all of these with plus signs, don't you see exactly what we had down here? So new school expanded form is basically telling you how we came up with the old school expanded form. So I'm going to show you this here too. Again, we're going to have a package of digit times place value for each digit. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the 5. So we have a 5. And the 5 is parked, well, if I kind of dissect this a little bit, it's in the thousands period, and it's in that third spot. So it's going to be in the 100,000 place. So I'm just going to write 100,000. If you're not sure how to write 100,000, there's a really quick trick. If you put a 1 above the 5, because that's the digit we're working with, and put zeros all the way across, it'll show you exactly how to write that. Of course, you need to add your comma. So we're done with the 5. We're going to add a plus sign to get to our next package, and we're going to start with the 6 now. We're looking at the 6 as our digit, and it is in the 10,000s place. I'm going to write the number 10,000, and we're done with that one. Check. And now I'm going to put a plus sign and get our next package started. We're focusing on the 7, the digit that's a 7, and that is parked in the 1,000s place. And we're done with that. Zeros are a freebie. You don't have to worry about them because zeros are worth 0. They're nothing. So now I'm going to go to the 9, and that's our digit, and it is parked in the tens place. And last but not least, we are going to create a digit place value package for the 8, and the 8 is parked in the ones place. So ladies and gentlemen, this right here is new school expanded form. All right. I'm going to show you one more example. So again, we're going to have a package for each one of these digits. So we have a 9. And that 9, we're going to put a multiplication sign there, is in the, well, if I look at it, only teachers may, and it's in the first spot. So it's in the 1 millions place. Again, if you don't know how to write 1 million, you can put a 1 where the 9 is and put zeros everywhere else. And then when you put the commas in, it shows you. So it's in the 1 millions place. And we're going to then move to the next digit. We don't have to do 0, so we can skip that one. The next digit is the 6, and it is in the 10,000s place. to close that package. Don't forget to close the packages and link them with plus signs. Now we're going to move to the 7. The 7 is in the 1000s place. And we're going to then move to the 1. The 1 is in the 100s place. 1 times 100. We're going to move to the 3. The 3 is in the tens place. And close that package. And again, the 4 is in the ones place. So this is, guys, New School expanded form. So what you are going to do is you're going to go back to this worksheet that you were working on with Old School expanded form. And down here at the bottom, there are 3 questions for you to try. I would like you only to try this first one before you check in. Make sure that you're understanding it before we let you do a couple more. All right, great job.